Hey, I'm gonna show you an easy groove that won't take too long at all. You could get this done in like 2 days, 1 day for sure, but depends how long you practice for. But here's the groove, here's what it'll sound like. I'm gonna play it slow anyways, so you can see what I'm doing. All right. That's the groove right there. It's simple. I'm gonna show you how you do it today. So take notes or become a ghost. Because why? Because if you're not taking the notes, you already know you're gonna forget it. You guys should know it already. All right. All right, so here's how to do it. First of all, I'm playing the D string 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I'm playing the D string 4 times. And you could downstrum it the whole time, but if you master just practicing back and forth, that'll make your life so much easier. Your life will be so much easier. Practice doing this, you're done. Everything's gonna be so much easier. But if you're just sticking to that downstrum, I'll give it to you for right now. You're a beginner, so I'll give it to you. So it's fine if you do the downstrum, doesn't matter. You play the D string 4 times. And now you're gonna play the A string twice. All right, so this is the A pattern that we're working on. In case you don't know what the A and B pattern is, I made a video called the A-B pattern framework. You'll see it. It's pretty obvious what it looks like. Hopefully. But yeah. So like I said, the D string 4 times and the A string twice. And you're gonna do that A pattern twice, right? Done. First part already over with. Now the last part we're gonna do is we're gonna finish it off with the B pattern. The B pattern is really simple. You're gonna play the A string 3rd fret with your pinky. No, not your pinky, your ring finger. All right? And you're gonna play that 4 times. Now let it go and play it twice. You're gonna play the A string twice, all right? And you do that B pattern twice as well. So here it is. And that's it right there. You literally just do the pattern over and over and over again. Do it without the beat first, and then once you got that down, then use a beat. Go on YouTube, type in compa, and put the settings playback speed onto 0.75, because that's slower. And then when you're ready, you can move up the speed to normal. All right. So here it is. And here it is with the compa beat. Actually, I'm gonna put it in fast speed just so you can see what I'm talking about. Playback speed to normal. Hey, watch this. Oh, no, I didn't know that groove part either. I almost had it though. I was supposed to be like. I have it now, but it would have been cooler with the beat. But yeah, that's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And please, actually do the video. Just do it. Don't just watch me play it. Just do it. All right, see you in the next video.